Hey guys, Dovahkid here, and my video is too short. Well, my video didn't last long enough for us to complete the Gears of War campaign, so this is going to be part 2. Well, okay, let's get back into it. Wait, we're not doing that. These old lamb have to be dead first. Reloaded.
Oh, he's stupid. That Lambent's stupid.
Yeah, he is.
He walked right up to me.
Ow. And I have to do it. I'll shoot him in with a pistol. I heard it. I have to do it. You can't. You're not Marcus.
Let's get upstairs and see what's on the disc.
I hate doing this.
Now, guys, this is an
Wait,
Easter
quiet.
egg.
Like how that O's are getting longer and longer. Did everybody else just hear a chicken? Ugh. Okay, what the heck is a chicken doing in the vents?
Shoot him.
No, I'd rather kick it. Did something. I'm going over here. You're on your own. I'm not dealing with a chicken. I'll become a chicken if I shoot it.
Oh, frick! Now I know what you meant! Oh, God, help me!
Wait, Puss in Boots shouldn't have stole that golden egg after all, shouldn't he?
I
No! Wait, I shot you, not me! Wait, tell Puss in Boots to return it. I'm down.
Pussy Boots, return it now!
Revive me!
I'm hitting A. Wait, you just no, don't get me.
Oh, take that.
You just stole my gun.
Oh, you would.
Puss in Boots, take the egg back.
Pussy Boots.
Yay, we did it. What is it? What the frick is that? Oh, well, okay, let's go redo this now.
No. Yes! I have a pumpkin.
Wait, like, how supposed to be eating that food? You're just squishing her food.
But guys, that Easter egg can
I'll be
only
taking
be
this.
done once.
No. It can be done multiple times as long as you restart the campaign. Which I've done this like 16 times. I'll call opening the door. Wait, the door's locked. Wait. Stop it or I'll abandon you.
If you get this message, if you're still alive, I need your help. Oh, God. I really am. Marcus. Please. Your father. Yeah, I know it's complicated, and I know that one time. But I thought maybe this. I'm being held prisoner by the Locust. I've developed a solution for the lava problem. They think they can use it to kill humans as well, but they don't realize. Marcus, he knows about the lambent. And he looks older than when we saw him die. I know. If he's still alive, I've got to find him.
Looks like he lost his eye.
Any way to tell when this was recorded?
No, they code. Hang on.
They don't realize that it won't save the Locust. Sarah's died. The whole planet suspected. It's the emotion that's killing it. It was always the emotion, you see. And I can stop it. I understand it all now. I've tried to contact you for years, but I've been helpful.
Their machine? They're never here when you need them.
Okay, how many times did you say brace? Like 4 times?
I'll figure out a way to decode the rest of that disk market. We'll find it.
Everybody get out there and finish these assholes.
Yeah.
I really should have turned off the mature language. But that's what makes a game good, right? Is mature language.
Great, now he wants coffee.
Oh, not my favorite clothes. No.
Prescott, this is weird. Hold on, we're coming.
Helicopter down, RP. Helicopter down.
We gotta get down there.
Wait, we lost the helicopter.
On his own.
Wait, that helicopter had your pizza on it.
No!
Where I'm taking damage.
I found some ammo.
I found grenades. Kobe. Dude, I have a freaking blood beard. Anya, get my girlfriend up.
No.
If my girlfriend around, stab you with this. Actually, I'll just chainsaw you open.
No.
And then I'll use your head as cotton candy.
Alright, I'll
Cannibal. No, I'll use your head
Cannibal.
for. I'll use your head for next Halloween. Just use it as my Halloween basket. Frick, I can't go. Chainsaw fight. I win. Ow, I hurt. Get down, Wade. You're about to die. Wade, you just got killed by someone puking on you. That is sad. I wonder if I'll level up at all. Be down. Ooh, ammo. Another lambent. Crap, my. Okay, guys. If this video, in the comments below, tell me if you would deal with this if this was real life. I wouldn't. Carmine. But they're always in the wrong place at the wrong time, aren't they, Wade? Like that one that died in the bathtub in Gears of War 2.
What?
One dies in bed. I played Gears of War 2 over at Dylan's house, or no, over at my friend's house, and he gets killed in the bathtub. Someone drops a toaster from a higher shelf and kills him. I still gotta buy Gears of War 2. Like, I only got to the 5th mission.
Forget.
I call. Darn it, Wade!
No, I
I
want.
want. Wade,
Give me back your gun.
Wade, I told you not to leave the waffles in.
You know what? Good job, Kurt.
You did that on purpose.
You killed me.
Guys, tell me if he did it on purpose. He wanted the fire extinguisher, so wait, I'm unsubscribing from the YouTube channel for that. Nope. Unless you don't do it again, I won't unsubscribe.
Not Gordo.
Wait, if you keep killing yourself on purpose, I'm unsubscribing. Seriously, Wade. Seriously, Wade.
I want it.
No. Stop killing yourself on purpose.
No.
Don't worry, Wade, I'll kill him.
You can leave that fire.
Wade, it ain't killing him. What do I do? There, take it. For crying out loud. Don't pray about it. Imagine if it blew up. Hey, wait, the guns cabinets are open.
Yeah. Nuke.
Wait, get rid of it.
Extinguish.
Wait, I'm gonna die if you don't drop that fire extinguisher.
I'm gonna extinguish the fire.
There was no fire.
You must take off. Why not? We'll find someone to do it. Oh, very well. Stand by. Michaels is gone. Phoenix, step down to the hangar. The helicopters are under attack. We need to get them airborne right away. Are you moving? Yes, but then you stay here. You don't move until we get back. Understood? Try not to get myself killed. Yeah, you do that. I'm not the conversation.
Actually, I'll do this video until we beat this mission. Wait, how about we just keep doing parts till we beat the mission? Because this is at 9 minutes. They end at like 6.
I'll come back and get you first aid as soon as we've got the choppers away, okay?
Come on, Harmony.
Pike.
See, there's fun.
He's not going anywhere with us.
No, fire extinguisher.
Yeah, no more fire extinguisher.
Delta to hangar deck.
Darn it, dude! Oh my god.
Down there. We've got to get
He's
those
headless.
Ravens in the air.
Headless chicken.
Dude, they're all headless.
Hang tight. We're on
That's
our
cool.
way.
I like how we run in this
Look
game.
at that Dory.
Shit, you hear that? Sounds like we're followed. Damn it, they're in the fight.
Wait, the futuristic spitters are back. This is what happens when Spider-Man took too much alcohol. He turns into this things.
Spider-Man, I told you not to drink alcohol.
No, that's what he feels like he has crack.
I'm Uncle Lemon, didn't he?
I want that bolt off.